Make a great choice today with the 2019 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck and is priced below $55,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power sunroof, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.